How's it going? Today I'll show you the ultimate guide for spicy or adult apps on your Fire Stick device, which you can get totally free of charge. So today we are going to show you how to download 5 or 6 amazing spicy apps on your Amazon Fire Stick. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app code downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get downloader free of charge from your Amazon App Store. To do so, go to search on the Fire Stick and start typing downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, downloader has popped out for us at the bottom. You click on it, and now that's the app that you need to get to your Fire Stick. However, after you get downloader, it is not over yet, because you'll still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up downloader, we need to go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon. After that, you scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it, and from here, you need to turn on developer options on your Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging. After that, you go to install unknown apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, we open it. And now there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Italy right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go straight back to the list of apps on your device, and then open downloader. And now here, in downloader app, on the left side menu, you have to click on home. And now we are ready to start entering the code right here in that search bar. And now the first code that we will enter will be 456576. So once again, 456576. Enter the code as you see and click on go. And now in a couple of moments, the download of that app is going to start. And while we are waiting, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And as you can see, download finally started for us, so just wait a bit until it finishes. Then click on install and wait until the app gets installed to your Firestick device. And after that, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we get an option to delete the installation files, as we don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So we click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary files from the Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if we go to the list of apps on your device, we open it, and here at the bottom you'll find the app which we just downloaded. So now I would recommend you to select the app and then click on the middle button on your remote. Sorry, not the middle button, but on the settings button. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. So click on the 3 horizontal lines and then press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So we got the first app for you, but as I said, we got a lot more. So to get other spicy apps for your Firestick, we'll head back to Downloader. Then you have to click on Home again, erase that previous code as it's not needed anymore, and now we'll start entering another code. So the next code will be 307888. So once again, 307888. That's the second code. Click on go, and now the download of that second app will start, and the whole process is going to be pretty much the same as it was with the first application. So that's right, the download has started. We just have to wait a bit, click on install, and now the second app will be installed to our Firestick device. Just like previously, we click on done and delete those unnecessary installation files. And now if we go to the list of apps on your device, and here it is. Let's open it up, and now there is the second app. Let's put it up front, and now we get 2 amazing adult apps on your Firestick. And now we go back straight to Downloader to get you a lot more applications just like those 2. So now let's enter a new code, which is gonna be 647190. Click on go and follow the same steps. And the download of the app number 3 has started. It already got downloaded. Then we have to install it to our device, click on done, and of course get rid of those unnecessary installation files. Now again, we go to the list of apps, and here's the app number 3. We put it up front as well, and we already got 3 apps on your Firestick, which we got downloaded, but that's not over yet, so we head straight back to Downloader. And yeah, so we got 3 more codes for you today. The next code will be 127586. Click on the go. Now the download will start for us, so wait a bit. As always, after the app was downloaded, we also have to install it to your device, and never forget to delete those unnecessary installation files from your Fire TV stick. After that, of course, you go back to the list of apps and put that application up front to the very top of your application list. And then we, of course, head straight back into Downloader. Oops, opened the wrong app. So yeah, it should have been Downloader. Click on Home again and follow the same steps with a new code. So the following code will be 953562. So once again, 953562. Click on the go and follow the same steps as always. And we are already downloading the 5th app of the day. Just have to also install it to our device and of course delete unnecessary files. And yeah, let's straight go back to home again to download one more application. So the code for the last app today will be 863078. So once again, 863078. Click on go, and that will be probably the last app for today. And there's the download process. Usually takes only a couple of seconds. You already, of course, know what to do here, so we just hit that installation button. And after that, just wait until the app is installed. After that, erase unnecessary installation files, and then go straight to the list of apps on your Firestick device. So we open it, and there should be 2 more applications which we need to put to the very front of your application list. So here's one of them, and there's another one. So today we got 6 amazing spicy apps for your Firestick. Enjoy the apps, and of course never forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and anonymous online. Enjoy, and see you next time. Bye bye.